You are in the habit of misusing the internet for various wrongful activities.
Lordship,
Not
may
only
restrain
this
me-
case, cases of sexual harassment through posts, etc.
I will, if Lordship permit, I will say immaturity is more, reflects more from what he has done, my lord.
We've not annexed
What?
the complaint, Your Lordship.
You've
It's very obscene. We've
And-
not annexed it. We'll put it before Your Lordship.
So
I-
it is one
We'll
one
just
he has
annex the
been,
FIRs.
one he has been acquitted, but from the nature of accusations, it appears that he had been harassing women through internet.
And for a faculty, Your Lordship.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lord, in this case, I am in custody, my lord, for 179 days. Petition is, I am in custody, my lord, for 179 days. Charge sheeted case, my lord. And, my lord, the only offence, my lord, principal offence is section 152, my lord. Lordship has already issued notice, my lord, challenging the constitutionality of 152, my lord. Moreover, if your Lordship takes up the faith,
You were singing?
no, not singing, my lord, I simply posted, my lord, Lordship can say, please reply, my lord, of the respondent, my lord, page 15. That is the only photo, my lord. It does
No,
not
no,
speak.
should we ask you to read out what you have said and so that everybody listen?
Lord, I am very sorry for the, this is the only incident that he has done. He's a government servant. He has already lost his job. He is a government servant, Lord, already placed under suspension, 179 days in custody. And this is the only thing, Lord, that he has committed, Lord. So,
Lordship,
Lord,
there are other matters against him with respect to POSCO and other offences.
If somebody wants to use a brute and very offensive language against you, you are the one who has not spared children. You are the one who has not spared women, even matured women. You have been doing all kind of nasty things, and then you make this kind of statement.
And he's supposed to be a teacher, Your Lordship.
What do you think? That you are free from, you are above the law of land?
Lord, this post was deleted soon after I realized, Lord, that it is against the country's interest. That is the investigating officer's own statement, Lord. And I deleted the post the moment I come to realize that it is against the country's interest, Lord. It is in the FIR itself, the investigating officer self said so. This is the only incident, Lord, where I have been charged with an anti-national activities, Lord. Page 15 of the reply, Lordship, kindly see the affidavit, Lord, the post, Lord. Page 15, Lord. 179 days, my lord, charge sheet has already been filed. I have lost my job. And page 14 is the translation, my lord. Nothing against the country, my lord. I just shared the president's photo, my lord, which is the Turkish president photo, my lord. Page 15 is the photo, lord.
No. This is not the only thing you have
This is
said.
the only thing.
Would you like to read it? What you have written there?
Lord, no, my lord.
Then don't say the photo only.
That's it. Photo and this 40,
And
page
the
14
timing,
that.
Your Lordship.
Read it. Good. Details of the other FIR?
Lordship, we annexed it in our counter, the two FIRs.
One case I have already been acquitted, my lord. One is at the stage of charge, my lord.
One is at page
I have got the
23
judgment copy of filing.
and the other one is at page 26, Your Lordships. Both. He's been charged sheeted and subsequent acquittal.
You are in the habit of misusing the internet for various wrongful activities.
Lordship,
Not
may
only
restrain
this
me-
case, cases of sexual harassment through posts, etc.
I will, if lordship permit, I will say immaturity is more, reflects more from what he has done, my lord.
We've not annexed
One-
the complaint, your lordship.
You've
It's very obscene. We've
And-
not annexed it. We'll put it before your lordship.
So it
I-
is one,
We
one
just
he has
annexed the
been,
FIRs.
one he has been acquitted, but from the nature of accusations, it appears that he had been harassing women through internet.
And for a faculty, your lordship.
My lord, I have already been acquitted of the charge, my lord. There is a copy of the judgment, my lord. I have the copy, my lord.
One of them.
One of them.
cases.
No,
Look at page
179,
29, his pervert mind.
no, 179 is I have, so I lost my job, my lord, lordship. And nothing remained, my lord. And still with all respect, my lord, present. Lord. Any condition lordship may put, my lord.
Lordship,
No,
the trial is not
The
started yet.
judge is not available, my lord, in that court, my lord, still pending,
It's
charge has
listed
not been
tomorrow,
framed.
I'm told, your lordship. The matter is listed tomorrow, but
The judge
the
is,
production
PO
of
is not
judges, but
been
the
appointed.
witnesses have not been examined yet.
Charge has also not been framed.
Charges have also not been framed.
I am not at flight risk, my lord. I have lost my job, my lord. And I am not at flight risk, my lord. I have lost my job, my lord. And
That job, that who, you should not be allowed to near the college to enter. You are such a threat to the young girls.
these are,
Why the question of allowing you to, what kind of teacher, professor you claim? Shame on the word professor.
one offense I have already been acquitted, my lord. And other also evidence of the principal victim had been there, my lord. Nothing against me, my lord. So more of immaturity is there than, my lord, of kind of activity, my lord. I have two minor daughter, my lord, to support. Lordship may impose any condition, lordship.
Please make contents in page. Where are the contents of page 24?
If I have my name, वो paragraph में set out.
The complaint is not annexed. The complaint is not annexed, your lordship. We place it before your lordships. But it was similarly, similar to the first, as far as the complaint also.
There is no presiding officer in the court.
No, my lord. From April, there is none, my lord.
That I'll take instruction.
Lordship
Your
can
lordship,
see
I
that
was
the
told
orders
charges
also
are
PO
not
is
framed
absent, my
yet.
lord.
We'll take instructions as to what happens tomorrow.
Pursue.
We are told the next date is tomorrow.
1311 is the next day.
13.
Para 3.2. Oh, of the reply. Page 8.
They should not be stated. Allow the functional administration. Even the governments of the territory. Very good. But shall it get those people? So the Indian government from the Raja. Something like that. As an idea,
Milord,
This
court
is
is
in-
page 14, Milord.
No, no, which place code?
Kokrajhar.
No, Gosaigaon, Milord, not Kokrajhar. Kokrajhar,
Raja.
here is a district judge, Milord.
We are informed
Sir.
by counsel for the petitioner that
Gosai.
there is no presiding officer in the
The
court
next.
at Kokrajhar.
No, Gosaigaon, Lord.
Gosai.
Huh?
Gosaigaon, court at Gosaigaon, Lord.
Magistrate Sessions Judge,
Gosaigaon.
Circuit Gosaigaon.
Due to which further proceedings have not taken place. And the petitioner is languishing in custody. Since,
16/5.
when was he arrested?
The matter is
16/5/2025, Lordship.
It's directed to be, he's directed to be placed tomorrow, Your Lordship. It's mentioned in the count at page 8.
So, London State Council seeks and granted 1 week time to have instruction in this regard. So, if there is no presiding officer, comma, we request the Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court to take up the matter on priority basis and explore the desirability of posting a presiding officer at the above mentioned court without any delay. Without any delay. Put up after 1 week on so and so
Or
date.
transferring the case to a court where judges.
Or the matters that, the cases should be transferred.
This can be transferred. There are more than one judicial magistrate.
There is only one court.
Gosaigaon.
It will be additional session, there will only one court, circuit court is there, Milord.
It can go to the sessions court.
Yes, Lordship. Sessions judge and
Session
Kokrajhar.
judge can
Session
deal.
judge Kokrajhar. So can-
Session judge.
No,
can
is
transfer.
there any more than one additional session judge?
No, in Gosaigaon only one
It-
session judge.
it is a sub.
District is
District,
Kokrajhar,
right?
Lordship.
So
Subdivision
Kokrajhar
is
district,
Gosaigaon.
Gosaigaon is the subdivision. There.
Uh, or alternatively, the case can be transferred to
District headquarters.
the district headquarters, Kokrajhar.
For trial.
The registrar directed to communicate this order to the Chief Justice Secretariat and obtain the report. Post the matter after 1 week on some.
Lordship, I may be granted bail, Milord. I may be granted interim bail, Lordship. So-
We'll consider on the.
Much.
Much of it.